In this very quick video, I want to show you how to update your Hisense Roku TV. Take your remote control, press the home button so we start at the same place. Then you're gonna go in the settings menu. So go down, select settings. Once you have selected settings, you're gonna go down and we need to go all the way down until you select system. Press OK. And from here, you need to go where it says software update. Press OK. Then select check now. It will scan for the update. Obviously, you need to be connected to the Wi-Fi. It may take a few seconds. And if there is an update, it will be shown to you right over there. If there is updates, if certain apps need update, just like you saw, they'll update automatically once you have click on check update. When you select software update, by the way, before clicking check now, you can also check over here the last version just to make sure that everything is okay. It even tells you which date it got updated. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope my tutorial was helpful. If so, please leave a like, but also type a comment down below. See you in the next video. Have a beautiful day.